So we have the hydrogen peroxide concentrated 30%. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of the soapy water. Okay,
Why is it like so
because I put a drop of food coloring in just so you can see a better effect. We're going to add a little bit more soap solution. Okay, this is yellow. This is just like stuff you wash dishes with. Okay, well, a little bit more. Okay, so no reaction, right? So they're inert. Nothing's reacting. Now, two vocabulary words you guys may have seen through the book if you're reading or will come across is one is exothermic and one is endothermic. You guys see those on before? Endo versus exo. If you had an ice cube, right? If I put an ice cube out here on the dish, eventually what would happen to my ice cube? Melt. Okay, that's endothermic because basically the ice is actually taking the heat in. Okay, so it's not when you put ice into something to make it cold. It's not basically the cold is going out of the ice. It's basically it's pulling the heat in. So the ice would melt. That's endothermic. Okay, this feels cool, right? It's a glass at room temperature. The water wasn't hot. The soap wasn't hot. The peroxide wasn't warm. Okay, this is an exothermic. So when it reacts chemically, it's going to give off heat. Without a match, without any flame, without any burner, no burner underneath here. Okay, all right? It's going to give off heat. So you may actually see steam coming out of the top. And like within seconds, it's going to heat up, produce steam, and produce a reaction, okay? And look how much, it's just that little bit, okay? So zoom in on that. You guys all can see that a little bit at the bottom there, okay? So here we go. Here's a chemical reaction. An exothermic, it's going to give off heat. You might also see a change in color. So we have a sort of a very light reddish color right there, okay? So watch how quickly it changes color, and then watch what happens next, okay?
Sure.
Top. You'll be able to see steam. See steam? Whoa. It is warm. It's very, very warm. To produce steam, it has to be fairly hot. Okay. And you can actually, I mean, seriously, put your hand there without touching, you can actually feel warmth. Like, go ahead, feel the warmth. Heat rising. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
so, that's exothermic. Exothermic chemical reaction.